Thank you, Chairman Clay, Ranking Member Stivers, members of the subcommittee. Thank you for the opportunity to be here today. My name is Brian Kuhlmann. I am the Senior Corporate Counsel for Shelter Insurance Companies. Shelter is a mutual company that is headquartered in Columbia, Missouri. It was founded in 1946 primarily to serve the insurance needs of Missouri farmers. And our success has enabled us to grow into a company that now writes auto, property, business, and life insurance in 21 states, and even conducts businesses internationally. I'm here today on behalf of the American Property and Casualty Insurance Association, APCIA, and the National Association of Mutual Insurance Companies, NAMIC, which together represent more than 90% of home, auto, and business insurers in the country. When the COVID-19 pandemic first hit earlier this year, Shelter took prompt and strong action to serve the needs of our policyholders. As a mutual company, we exist because of our policyholders who have put their faith in us and expect us to be there when they have a claim. Since March, we have provided premium relief, liberalized grace periods, and worked with policyholders on a case-by-case basis to help them through their current financial challenges. Additionally, the Shelter Foundation is offering each of our 1,400 agents each $1,000 to designate for a charity in their areas working to respond to local COVID-19 needs. Shelter is known for doing the right thing, and we will continue to respond to this rapidly evolving situation. We will continue to do the right thing by our policyholders, our agents, and our employees. Our business is to help provide consumers with peace of mind by developing risk solutions. As this committee and Congress go about the important work ahead of planning for future pandemics, however, it is imperative that we understand a core principle. Not every risk is insurable. The reality is that insurers and insurance regulators across the country understand that global pandemic risk is generally uninsurable in the private market. This was true before COVID-19 and will be true after COVID-19 for a number of reasons, including that it is impossible to diversify pandemic risk and to spread losses across different groups, which is a fundamental tenet of insurance. COVID-19 is affecting tens of millions of businesses simultaneously, and the number of businesses in need of protection greatly exceed the capacity of the insurance industry to provide that protection. Understanding that global pandemics are uninsurable, an alternative mechanism will be necessary to protect businesses from future pandemics. Whatever that mechanism looks like, it should be focused on providing real, efficient, and effective financial assistance to all American businesses and nonprofits. Our industry believes that our risk expertise and infrastructure can help with the pandemic solutions, even if we cannot shoulder the direct financial burden of the pandemic losses. To that end, we have studied relevant catastrophic protection models, met with many stakeholders and businesses, and put together a proposal called the Business Continuity Protection Plan, or the BCPP. Modeled loosely after the War Damages Insurance Corporation created by Congress during World War II, the BCPP would provide a straightforward revenue replacement solution for businesses and nonprofits of all sizes. The BCPP would set up a program in the U.S. Treasury to administer a federally subsidized revenue replacement product available to any business or nonprofit in the U.S. America's small businesses could access the product through a simple application to purchase up to 3 months of up to 80% revenue replacement distributed through licensed insurance professionals. Businesses could then use these funds to pay salaries, rent, and other operating costs during the pandemic. A parametric trigger mechanism would eliminate the friction to ensure a quick, automated relief upon the occurrence of conditions established in advance. This process would put cash in the hands of businesses immediately, avoiding a long, detailed coverage analysis or complex claims adjustment procedures. Responding directly to stakeholder feedback, the PCPP also contemplates an excess program and event cancellation provisions for customers who seek this additional protection or are in need of more specialized coverages. Most importantly, the BCPP is also the current proposal that would be most affordable for America's small businesses. Even with a federal backstop, coverage under the other proposals would likely be far more expensive than most businesses can afford. Because pricing for the BCC product would be federally subsidized, the cost could be made more affordable than the other proposed programs, thus encouraging a high take-up rate, which is essential for preserving the broader economy during a crisis. APCIA and NAMIC are appreciative of the ideas and the proposals that have been brought forward by congressional leaders and the business community to address pandemic risk challenges. We are committed to working with you on solutions that can provide the effective and affordable protection. Thank you very much.